So this is another kind of a performance measurement. It's called as Balridge Performance Excellence. So this is the entire overview about Balridge Performance Excellence. Balridge says the company should focus on 7 areas. So all these areas, when a company focuses, that leads to success of the company. So the first one is, Balridge says the company should focus on good leadership. So in terms of the leaders should be very active, they should be honest, they should have a proper corporate governance, they should be actively involved in the company, they should solve the problems of the company. So he says leadership should be focused. He says the company should have a proper strategy, they should know what they are doing, okay, they should focus on the long-term development of the company. He says the company should also focus on the customers, and there should be a successful relationship between the customers and the company, and there should be trust and honesty of the company. Workforce, the company should give good equal importance to workforce. The employees should have a very good environment of work, and the employees should feel happy of working with this company. They should be motivated. He says the company's operations, like production or service, whatever the company is, their operations should be like designed very effectively, and company should produce good quality goods and ensure that these are always like being tracked and monitored. We also have to be a result oriented company. We should focus on the results, something like we should focus on the quality, on the profit, on the satisfaction. So we should be a results driven company. And last is measurement, analysis, and knowledge management. So it's not only like the company should be entirely trained, the company should have knowledgeable people in their company. Everything should be measured. So we shouldn't say that we are good quality company. We should measure the quality. We can't say that employees have good satisfaction. No, we have to measure it. So it is about the measurement of data, analyzing it, and interpreting it, and then taking a proper decision. So you might think that these are like very normal topics, but the thing is, this Balridge Performance Excellence was created in around 1960s, and I feel that in 1960s, if someone has created such a kind of the basic factors which are required in the company, if someone has found out these points, I think it's a very intelligent thing. And that too, Balridge is a industrialist by himself. He had around some 3-4 industries or companies on his own. He was also a member of parliament. So he is I think he's a senator. He's a US person. He's a senator. He's also been the advisor to the government. So he's a very knowledgeable person, and he has given a very knowledgeable kind of a performance measuring techniques. So these might look common, but they are quite important. So this is how they are interlinked. So each and everything in a company is interlinked, he says. All the 7 areas of a company are interlinked. So thank you very much for watching this video. We'll meet in the next video. You can reach me at my website wowacademics.com, or you can also see my Quora answers. I am active in LinkedIn and in Facebook page, so you can visit at these places. If you just type Shyam Prasad and Wow Academics, you will get all these links in Google search itself. And if you like this video, give a like, share to your friends, and if you feel that any points we have missed in this video, you can post it. We will try to give an answer to you in the comment section itself, or we'll also create another video for you. So thank you for watching our video.